Okay, now we're gonna look at the Comac C919. Let's go in. Yo, let's go. Let's go in the plane. Come on. Way out. Let's go in. Let's have a look inside this plane. This is the view.
It smells like a real plane, right?
Yeah. Yo, check this out. This is business class, I think. On the back is like probably economy.
Yeah. Go.
Bye bye.
I'm gonna get a picture. Go.
Okay, this is the business class of the Comac.
Yep. First time I'm sitting here.
First time.
First time in an airplane after 6 years.
6 years. Oh my god. This is the economy. Whoa, the business class is like quite less. Oh my god, that is so cool. SJK and that is ABC. This one has like no TV, I guess.
I know, G.
That's probably the emergency exit right there. I think that's probably the back here. Yeah. Has the scene-wide decorations. Yo, I'm gonna see how the back looks like, Santi. You wanna see? This is the last seat. It has 56 seats around here. This is the small bathroom. It looks interesting.
It looks really cool.
Look at that. So this is like the back of the. This is the rear of the aircraft.
Yeah.
Wait, Santi, can you take some pictures of me?